So just to catch up with on future plans, channel plans, and get you up to date on where I am in sort of some of the personal stuff. The Red Baron is gone. I sold my 2014 BMW S1000R to a gentleman in New York City, actually, of all places. Not exactly your motorcycling haven, but he sounds as if he's ridden any number of machines in the past. Had an S1000R himself, I guess, in the past. Saw mine, which is pretty lightly used. I think he got himself a nice bargain, and I do wish him well on that ride. I wish him 100% well. I'm not sure that I would be up to tackling Manhattan traffic on two wheels, but if you've got the experience and the knowledge, it could be a heck of a way to get around town, threading your way, speaking of traffic, threading your way through some pretty redoubtable traffic. So, nice auto blip there. So that is gone. So I'm down to two machines, and actually, really speaking, I'm down to one machine, because the Phantom, as if you caught the earlier video, the Phantom is in getting repaired, and that's because the kickstand broke and it fell over, went kaboom. Not a happy camper about that, but that happened. The kickstand broke at a dead stop with the machine turned off, and that's what you get. But so I won't see that. We're going on a little personal travel here, and I'm not going to see that. Sorry, sir, it's your world. I'm just taking up space in it. I won't see that Ducati V4S for probably the better part of a month. The bits and pieces are the issue. Getting in and getting fixed. So I'm not going to see it for the better part of a month, and I think they're going to display it. If you're in Escondido and anywhere near Moto Forza, my dealership, not my dealership, but certainly the guys that I take my parts to, I trust them. I think they're great. I believe they may display it once they get it fixed. I think they may display it as they did last time in the showroom. And go by, take a look at it if you're in that neck of the woods. So I'm going to peel off to the left here, and maybe I'll get a little less traffic. Don't know. Nah, this gentleman in front of me is going to go the same way. And that means that the channel is going to be kind of quiet over the next few weeks. Part of this travel, I'm hoping, will take me to the Ducati factory. I have signed up for a tour there for the Ducati factory and museum, and really looking forward to that. Mrs. Cooper has given me a hall pass for the day, and I will take that tour and be very happy to share with you all about it. So that's it. That's for me. That's my update. That's what's going on. One motorcycle in the garage. I went from 3 to 1. One has gone the better part of 3,000 miles to Manhattan. Good luck to you, sir. Ride it in good health and enjoy that thing, huh, buddy? And as for the rest of it, it's just all getting set up to go on our little travel. I hesitate to use the word vacation because I am retired, so it's hard to say that you're retiring when you're on vacation. But doggone it, that's what I'm doing. And all right, I think we could go through here now. So that's the update. So stay tuned. You'll get more to come. Talk to you later.